In today's video, I'll show you how you can disable effects in FXSound. So let's get started. So first of all is that you could already see the effects panel, which is right here. So to disable them, you can just simply go and set them to the 0 value. In this way, this is basically like disabling them already because you will not have any of these effects because it is set to 0. Now, if you still want this equalizer that you have right here in the EQ section and this frequency selector, you can just leave them untouched if you're satisfied with that. But if you only want the EQ and not the effects, you can just adjust the EQ right here according to your preference. And once you're done, you could also save this as a preset if you'd want to. If you're satisfied with this sound, you could click here and then click on Save New Preset, and let's say no effects, and press an enter. And now we have this preset with the effects turned off. And that's how you do it. That's how you can disable effects in FXSound.